you can overspend on SEO. Like it's possible to spend too much money on SEO, and sometimes you could like 10x your budget and you might go 3% faster. That's kind of how it can be with SEO.
Yeah.
So our clients spend between $1,250 and $5,000 a month in SEO usually. If you get more expensive than that, usually agencies are doing really heavily custom strategies that just aren't necessary in this industry because we don't need heavily custom strategies because we already know what we're doing. So yeah, definitely people are spending less money on SEO. Although, really interesting fact, more clicks from Google search engine go to the organic results than the paid results.
Right.
It's impossible to pull that data specific to this industry. I'd guess maybe this one skews a little bit more paid, but not that much. The point is there's a ton of SEO leads.